Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be doing question 5 from the Step Paper 2 2010. So, let's get started. The points A and B have position vectors I plus j plus k and 5i minus j minus k respectively relative to the origin O. Find cosine 2 alpha where 2 alpha is the angle AOB. Part 1. The line L1 has equation R equals lambda of mi plus nj plus pk. Given that L1 is inclined equally to OA and to OB, determine a relationship between m, n, and p. Find also values of m, n, and p for which L1 is the angle bisector of AOB. Part 2. The line L2 has equation R equals mu of ui plus vj plus wk. Given that L2 is inclined at an angle alpha to OA, where 2 alpha equals angle AOB, determine a relationship between u, v, and w. Hence, describe the surface with Cartesian equation x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 2 of yz plus zx plus xy. Pause the video to have a think, and once you're ready, restart to see if you're correct. So, let's get started by calculating the cosine of 2 alpha. Firstly, we'll go back to definitions, and we'll see that a dot b is equal to the modulus of a multiplied by the modulus of b multiplied by the cosine of the angle between them. In this case, that's 2 alpha. Therefore, we have that the cosine of 2 alpha is equal to a dot b over the product of their moduli, and this simplifies down to 1/3. Now we can move on to part 1 of our question. If L1 is equally inclined to both OA and OB, MNP dot 111 over the modulus of MNP root 3 is equal to MNP dot 5 negative 1 negative 1 over the modulus of MNP multiplied by root 27. Simplifying this gives 3 of m plus n plus p is equal to 5m take away n take away p, and therefore we have that m is equal to 2n plus 2p. In the case that L1 is an angle bisector, then the expressions above are equal to the cosine of alpha. We can calculate the cosine of alpha by using double angle formulae and saying that cosine of 2 alpha is equal to 2 cosine squared alpha take away 1, and therefore cosine squared alpha is equal to 2/3. Therefore, we have m plus n plus p all over the square root of m squared plus n squared plus p squared multiplied by root 3 is equal to the square root of 2 over 3. Therefore, we have m plus n plus p is equal to root 2 of the square root of m squared plus n squared plus p squared. Squaring both sides and then simplifying gives 2 of mn plus mp plus np is equal to m squared plus n squared plus p squared. Replacing m with 2n plus 2p from above gives n equals p, and therefore mnp is equal to any non-zero multiple of 4, 1, 1, and this will suffice to answer the question. Now let's move on to part 2. As above, we immediately have 2 of uv plus uw plus vw is equal to u squared plus v squared plus w squared. Therefore, the equation describes all lines inclined at an angle of alpha to OA, which is a double cone, vertex at the origin, and central axis OA. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for some more fun maths problems. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.